511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org for Minnesota or 511wi.gov for Wisconsin. A message for the following county: North Cass, Minnesota. What? Additional snow accumulations of up to 1 inch. Where? Cruciching, North St. Louis, North Itasca, North Cass, South Itasca, South Cass, and Crow Wing counties. This includes the tribal land of the Bois Forte Band, Nett Lake, and Deer Creek areas. When? For the winter storm warning, until 1 p.m. This afternoon. For the winter weather advisory, until 7 p.m. This evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.